In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to set up clean, side-by-side layouts so your pages look organized and easy to read. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in, open the page where you want to create columns. It can be a new page or an existing one, anywhere you'd like to place content side by side. The first method is the quick drag and drop approach. On your page, make sure you have at least two blocks, like a couple of text lines or headings. Hover your mouse over the block you want to move, and you'll see the 6-dot handle appear to the left of it. Click and hold that handle, then drag the block to the right of another block. As you move it, watch for a blue vertical guide to appear. When that guide shows up to the right, release your mouse. Notion will create a new column next to the original content. To add a third column, repeat the same action. Grab another block and drag it to the right until you see that blue guide again. You can drop images, to-do lists, or any other block into each column. If something doesn't land exactly where you want it, just drag and try again. A small tip here: aim for that vertical blue line, not the horizontal one, to ensure you're creating columns rather than just moving content above or below. The second method uses the slash command. Click on an empty line and type a / followed by the word column. You'll see the column option appear. Select it and you can choose how many columns you want to start with. Notion will insert the column layout for you immediately. After the layout appears, you can hold and drag each column's content to reorder it or move items between columns, just as you would with any other block. This is especially handy if you already know the number of columns you need and want to set them up in one step without manual aligning. That's it. 2 easy ways to create columns in Notion: dragging blocks side by side, or using the / command to insert columns and then holding and dragging to arrange them. Try both and see which one feels more natural for your workflow. With a little practice, you'll be able to structure dashboards, notes, and project pages in a clean, readable layout in just a few seconds.